What's up, guys? Today, I'm finna show you how to change these motherfuckers here on the Nissan Maxima. That one messed up, that one messed up. I'm finna show you what you gotta do, baby. We're gonna use the 22 socket to take off the caliper. You got 2 screws to take off the caliper. Once you take that off, you take off this rotor. Then you knock that bitch out. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to it. That one gone. This one messed up here too. I don't know why I got 3, I just got 3. That one gone. Fucked up ones. And then I'm gonna put the good ones in. Okay, to get that jump to spin like this right here, so you can spin it to the space that you need to be in, you gotta put the car in neutral. Car got that like that. So, now we got all them little pretty bitches in there. Just like that. Reverse. Take that out. Bam. Damn, man. Everything back together. And these lugs up a little bit.